Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, where I have had the pleasure of creating hundreds of cakes for my beautiful clients. And we're here today so I can help you master the basic skills so you can go on to create beautiful cakes and cupcakes. So today we're going to decorate our little cupcake here. We've got some red buttercream and we're using a Loyal 1E tip for the center, so we'll just be piping a rosette on the center, and then for the outside we're going to be using a large 125 tip from Loyal, and we've got some hot pink buttercream. Okay, now we always make our own buttercream. We use our signature buttercream. It's available for purchase on our website, so we'll always pop the link below for you should you need a buttercream that you can use as well. Okay, so to get started, slightly off center, okay, hold your bag upright, squeeze down and just make a nice circle shape, little rosette shape, okay, and just folding your layers over the top. Now we're going to finish off with some individual petals on the outside. So always have the narrow end pointing up, okay, the wider end at the bottom, and you start at the base of your cupcake here, squeeze it out and make a little rainbow kind of shape. So up and over, see the little arch? Up and over. So we're always overlapping our petals about halfway through the last petal. Okay, so just drag your buttercream over and down. When you get to the end, just release the pressure and keep going all the way around. Follow around. You might want to angle your tip out a little bit just so that your petals fan out a bit. And so always starting halfway through the previous petal and elongating it. Keep going around until you pretty much haven't got any cupcake left. See how I'm angling it more out? That way I'm angling my cupcake down at the same time as I'm angling my petal tip down. And that way my petals can fall out easier around the cake. There we go. And then we will just pop a few of our gorgeous little sprinkles here from the Sprinkle Co. A few extra little love hearts on there. Perfect. And there's another little cupcake in our series. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed. Make sure you hit subscribe and also just that little bell next to it. That way you get notified from any new video that we have coming out. All right, take care, and I can't wait to see what you create. Make sure you pop your photos or any comments and questions below. Bye for now.